Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I need a tan. I'm gonna be so pretty. I'm gonna be so pretty. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm a little on the pale side. Actually, when I see my videos, I look so tanned. Like if I had that tan in real life, hot. Not so much. Is it the fat? It's the fat, isn't it? So many moons ago, I used to always go get spray tan because I love being nice and spray tan. I would get this beautiful glow that would wash off within like 2 weeks, and I was like, no! I need a tan so bad, but I've never self-tan. We're self-tanning myself for the first time. What could go wrong? I'm really scared though, guys. If I really want to do something, I research the crap out of it. And by research, I mean I watch YouTube videos. That's the extent of my research. I saw a lot of people using it, a lot of people loving it. I even bought the glove because that's how dedicated I am. I bought this over 2 years ago. Does it expire? I literally bought this 2 years ago because I was gonna do a whole tanning revolution. I was gonna self-tan for the rest of my life. I never did. It took a pandemic for me to be like, that's self-tan now. Shouldn't expire, but makeup expires. It says 6M. What does that mean? Is that the plastic or is that how long it lasts? So I took a shower today because that's what everyone does first, and I shaved. I haven't shaved for so long. I almost passed out in the shower. Anything. My husband doesn't mind going through the jungle to get to the papaya. We're out of there and we're moving on. Next, what other people tell you to do is moisturize. I have a finger full of cream because everyone tells you to put cream. So I'm gonna put cream on my hands because that's where they say hands and wrists, elbows, knees, not lotioning, creaming. Ew. Oh, I'm moving the camera, especially once I'm all creamed up. Oh, I made it sexual. This video just got weird. So I just realized I'm gonna probably have to be naked in front of the camera. I did not think this through. So we're gonna start with my top half and then work my way down. I don't know how dark this is gonna make me, so I don't know if the dark foundation I do have is going to match. So if it doesn't match, then I should tan my face so we all match. But if this is too dark, I don't want my face to be too dark. And then I think maybe I should just contour my face because I saw that on TikTok and we all know how TikTok's always right. Okay, seems easy enough. It says shake, circular motions. I'm gonna need someone to do my back. Change of plans. I decided to do this with the shirt because knowing me, that towel was gonna drop. I'm not wearing any pants. How hard could this be, right? Why is it gray? You guys see that? It is gray. Shouldn't it be brown? Why is it gray? Does this thing expire, guys? Oh my God. I am so concerned. Does this thing, it smells weird. Someone please tell me if this thing expires. Am I even tanning? Do I look darker? What's happening? And how much is too much? Should I do my boobs? I feel like I should be completely naked. But then I have a lot of surface area, guys. So I don't know if that's a good idea. I feel like someone else should be doing this for me. I feel like I look darker, but I feel like I look gray. I'm too fat to get my own back, guys. But what if this is how it's supposed to look? You know, I've never done this. You go in a tanning booth, all you go is you go like this, you squat open a little bit so you open that gap, and you open your knees so they're not like crinkled, and then you go psh, psh. Then you turn around and it goes psh, psh. We've all seen the Friends episode. It's exactly like that. I'm gonna be so pretty. I'm gonna be so pretty. Before we go to the legs, I look a little bit naked right now. I am not. I am wearing a top. Forewarning about my legs. I have what you would call the Homer Simpson effect. I shaved in the morning and it's not even the evening and I already have a 5 o'clock shadow on my legs. I just shave by 2 o'clock. Did she even shave? She must have not shaved because there's already little black dots all over her legs. Just in case you see that. Bam! You see this? Grade A meat, guys. All right, so do you see how white my legs are? My legs don't tan, guys. My legs don't tan. So we're gonna go with my gray concoction. I am done. I did my legs and I did my upper part. I'm not gonna do my midsection because, honey, it's not gonna see the light of day anyway. So we're okay with that. So I'm supposed to wait 4 to 6 hours. It is 7. I didn't know it was that late. I'm not gonna film the results video after I shower. I'm gonna let this bake for 6 hours and then I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning and share my results. All right, guys, I know that I may not look tan to you, but I look tan to me. Actually, okay, so the neck, see if I can get close up. It's a little rough, like there's blotchiness. It's a super light tan. Now, the reason you could tell it's a tan, it's because, you guys can't see the line, but there is actually like a line from here. This is a great angle. How to get some views. There's like a line. It's really hard to see on camera because it's such a light tan. And I don't know if it's light because I got a medium or if it's light because it must have been expired. It was coming out gray. The biggest difference was on my legs. Bam! Bam! Did you guys catch that? Sexy. They went from, oh, it's so bright, to, yeah, they look like non-tan normal legs. It's a huge thing for me because every time I wear dresses, shorts, everything, it's like, whoa, there's like a glare. What is that? Oh, it's her legs. That's how white they are. But now, damn, I wish I was more flexible. Now, I look like a normal human being. I like it. I know it's not like a big, ooh, transformation. I loved my first experience. My only problem is this neck area. It's a little darker, but my makeup actually kind of fades into it. So next time, oh, there's gonna be a next time, I'm going to put the lotion here so I don't get blotchiness, but I think it's pretty good for my first time. If you guys like today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next video. Is this what you want? Is this what you want? You're nasty. Bam!